lecture we will see what is the arc and polygons and what are the types. So let's start. First select one plane, top plane, sketch. Now we selected our planes, so we will see this is 3-point arc. There are three options for arc. We will see each and everything. First select center point arc. Select any one point, then select second point, and you can drag and drop. Okay, now your arc is created. This is your arc. Just assign the radius 200 mm. Okay, now it is assigned the radius. Simply create one triangle. Now select 3-point center point arc. Select this center, select up to here. And draw up to here. Oh, it's up to you. Up to here. Now see this arc created. It is center point arc. Okay. But here, see here another tangent arc. Select this tangent arc, or you can select from here also. Select one point. See, this arc always tangent with their planes. See, it is showing tangent with this plane. The same as here, if you are going to draw from here to this point, see, it is showing tangent. One direction always be showing tangent to the coming lines or coming planes. This is second type. The third type is interesting, 3-point arc. In this arc section, you have to select 3 points. Select 1 point, 2 point, and 3. That's it. This is simple way. Just assign diameter, any radius, anything, 200. Okay, see. Select 3-point arc. Select 1 point, 2 point, and drag whatever you need, either backside, forward, or anything. Just make it. Define radius 200. That's it. Now your arc is created. So these 3 types of arc in SolidWorks we are using in many different ways. Now let's see polygon. See, this is polygon symbol. Click polygon symbol. Select 3 numbers. Choose one here. Just drag. Okay, now this is our polygon ready. If you want to choose number of faces, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever number of faces you need. And there are 2 more options, inside circle and outside circle. Select outside, inside. Outside or inside, anything. Just selected this length, select 500. Okay. Now select any one direction, like select this one and choose vertical. See, it is changed, it is become vertical. So it is very simple. So this is the polygon. So please subscribe our channel for more videos and more projects in SolidWorks.